Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do unboxing of my new camera today, which is M50. Let's have a look what is inside this box. You guys ready? Right, so I have got this box inside that cardboard box, which is M50. Let's have a look what is inside this box now. So that is a manual, Canon. There's a charger. And that is the camera. Well, apparently the review said that this is one of the best vlogging camera of 2018, but we will find that after the test, I guess. And it has got this flip screen, and you can actually vlog like that. It's not bad actually, it's quite compact. Okay, so that is the camera. And we also have the strap which comes inside the box. And what else we have here? The battery charger, which I think goes with that. I'm just going to charge the battery. And that is the battery. So this is the battery of Canon M50. And the last but not least, I think we have the lens, which is the kit lens. I think this is 15 to 45 IS STM. That's quite small actually. So this is gorillapod 3K from Joby. I needed one of these for my vlog tripod kind of purpose, so I had to buy this from Amazon. So yeah, I got this today guys. Let's have a look. Basically it says that it can hold up to 3 kilograms, 3 kgs of camera and other accessories, whatever it is. So yeah, it can hold up to 3 kilograms. And my vlog camera is less than 1 kilo anyway, and that looks perfect. I had got heavy duty, the big one, which can actually hold 5 kilo, the Joby, and the small one, and the big one was too big for me, and the small one actually didn't hold the new camera M50. Canon M50, that's the reason I had to buy that. So technically I've got 3 gorillapod now, which I can use for different multiple purpose, like to put the lights and stuff in future. Yeah, I needed that, guys. So that's the one I was talking about, heavy duty, which can hold up to 5 kilo. And look at the size. It's quite big, isn't it? And the leg looks so, when you do that, it's quite heavy, and it's like 300 gram, I think. This is so like perfect, and then you know, you can actually hold with your hand, and when you need that, you can actually open it and put it on the table or wherever it is, and you can actually do the filming like that. And this is too small. This is the gorillapod hybrid, and these are really good for like small camera, like Canon G7X Mark II. That was perfect for this. But I recently bought a Canon M50, and with the shotgun mic and the lenses, I thought it was a little bit like it didn't actually hold properly, so I had to buy that. Let me test that. That's good. It has got quick release as well. So base plate actually goes on the bottom of the camera, and you have got that quick release button, and if you press that, it's gonna release the camera quickly and efficiently, and you can do whatever you want to do. So it's quite good actually. So let me put this base plate on the base of the camera now. Right, so the base plate actually went on the base of the camera. Now I'm gonna connect that base plate to the main gorillapod now. Let's watch. Okay, and it's ready to go. So let me turn the camera on and the microphone on, and let's flip the screen. So let me record it. Yeah, it's recording. I can see the red button there. Okay. Hey guys, so this is my first taste of this new Joby gorillapod 3K, and also this new camera, which is Canon M50, and this is mirrorless camera. Obviously it has got the crop factor at, I think, and whatever number of the lens is there, you have to multiply by 1.6. At the moment it's on 15. Oh no, so that's the widest. Hey guys, can you see me properly? That's all right. I mean, that is how you do vlog, and that's the reason I bought that gorillapod, and it's perfect for Canon M50. So from now I'm gonna do vlogging like that, and with this kit, guys. So that is the new update, and I'm pretty excited to actually go around with this camera, because before this I used to carry this small camera, which is Canon G7X Mark II, but I have got M50 now, which can actually shoot up to 4K on 1080p, the full HD. It has got the dual autofocus, so wherever you go, and it will actually automatically focus the subject. Actually, it doesn't matter. So that is the main reason I bought this camera. So it can actually shoot super slow motion, 100 frames per second, but that is only not even full HD, is 720p. Alright, how does it look? Am I in focus? Right guys, this is again M50 test. First time using it on autofocus. Yeah, how does that look? Is this focused? Okay, that is it for today, but I'm gonna do more tests with 4K footage and stuff later outside. As you can see, the weather is not great in London for a couple of days. So hopefully it's going to be better as summer is approaching, and I'm pretty excited to actually show you guys London and film with this new camera. That's it. I'll see you guys soon. Right, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so that you'll be notified with new video every week. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, namaste, and bye-bye.